Is your Mint Mobile data slower than a snail in peanut butter? Let's fix that by manually configuring your APN settings in this under 2-minute video, ensuring peak performance and a smooth connection. First, you'll need to access your phone's settings. This is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Next, look for the network and internet option. The name might vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer, but it generally includes the words network and internet. Tap it. Now, you'll need to find mobile network. This section controls your cellular data settings. Tap on mobile network to proceed. Look for access point names or APN. Tap on it. This is where you'll configure the settings that allow your phone to connect to Mint Mobile's data network. You might see existing APNs here. Don't worry about them just yet. Look for a plus sign icon or an option that says Add New App or similar. Tap on it to create a new APN profile. Now, we're going to enter specific information provided by Mint Mobile. This is crucial, so pay close attention. 1. Tap the name field and enter Mint Mobile. To tap the APN field and enter wholesale. 3. Leave the proxy, port, username, and password fields blank. For ensure MCC is set to 310. 5. Ensure MNC is set to 266. Tap authentication type and select PAP. 7. Tap on APN type. Enter default, SUPL, MMS, then tap OK. 8. Tap on APN protocol and select IPv4, IPv6. 9. Tap APN roaming protocol and select IPv4, IPv6. Once you've entered all the information, look for an options menu. It's often represented by 3 dots in the corner. Tap it and select Save. Finally, make sure the new Mint Mobile APN you created is selected. Reboot your phone. Try browsing the internet or using an app that requires data. You should now be connected to Mint Mobile's network with optimized settings. That's all.